Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Let's start with the backup. Open WhatsApp, click on three dots icon in the top right and click Settings. From here, scroll down and navigate to Chats. Here, click on Chat Backup. This is where your backup gets saved. Then tap on the Backup button and it will instantly start backing up your messages. You'll see a progress bar running, and once it's done, it will show you the date and time of the last successful backup. If you want to back it up automatically without doing it manually every time, scroll down and tap on automatic backup. Now choose whether you want to backup daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. Also, you can choose to include videos in your backup. Now, after the backup gets completed, let's cover the restore process. This happens when you switch off to a new phone or reinstall WhatsApp. So install WhatsApp fresh from the Play Store, open it and verify your phone number. Make sure it's the same number linked to your backup. WhatsApp will automatically detect the backup on Google Drive and show you a screen with the backup date and size. Tap restore and it will pull all your messages and media back. Once it's done, tap continue and WhatsApp opens up with everything restored exactly as it was. Just make sure the Google account signed into your phone is the same one you used to create the backup. Otherwise, WhatsApp won't be able to find it. So that's how you backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.